Welcome back to Health in 5, where we bring health wisdom in bite-sized fun. Today, we delve into the realm of sleep, a universally adored yet often elusive part of our lives. We all yearn for those blissful hours of peaceful slumber, but how often do we actually achieve it? From understanding its profound impact on our health to unraveling the secrets of achieving it, we're about to embark on a journey towards better sleep. So, stick around for the top 5 things you can do for a better night's sleep. First up, establish a sleep routine. It's a simple concept, yet often overlooked. The human body thrives on routine. Our internal clocks or circadian rhythms are designed to follow a consistent pattern of sleep and wakefulness. When we maintain a regular sleep schedule, we're supporting this natural rhythm, allowing our bodies to function at their best. Consider this. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, you're reinforcing your body's sleep-wake cycle. This consistency helps set your body's internal clock and can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Over time, you may even find you no longer need an alarm clock to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. But establishing a sleep routine isn't just about sticking to a strict bedtime and wake-up schedule. It's also about creating a soothing pre-sleep ritual. This can involve anything from reading a book, to gentle stretching, to listening to calming music or meditating. The aim here is to signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Engaging in a relaxing activity away from bright lights can ease the transition between wakefulness and sleepiness. It's like a gentle nudge to your body, gently coaxing it into a state of rest and relaxation. Remember, the key word here is soothing. So, choose activities that help you relax and make you feel calm. Perhaps you might find comfort in a warm bath before bed, or maybe writing in a journal helps clear your mind. The options are endless, and the choice is yours. The important thing is to create a routine that works for you and stick to it. Consistency, after all, is key. So, to recap, establishing a sleep routine involves 2 key aspects: a consistent sleep schedule and a calming pre-sleep ritual. Both of these elements work in harmony to signal your body it's time to wind down, leading to better quality sleep and a more refreshed feeling upon waking. A soothing bedtime ritual like reading or gentle stretches can signal your body it's time to wind down. It's the perfect end to your day and the ideal preparation for a restful night's sleep. Next, let's delve into creating a sleep-inducing environment. Your bedroom should be more than just a space for your bed. It should be a sanctuary, a haven for rest and relaxation where the worries of the day melt away. A crucial step in establishing this type of atmosphere is to control the 3 key elements: temperature, noise, and light. Let's start with temperature. Did you know that a slightly cooler room can actually promote better sleep? Our bodies have a natural sleep-wake cycle known as the circadian rhythm. As part of this cycle, your body temperature drops slightly when it's time to sleep. By keeping your room cool, between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, you can actually help facilitate this process and create a sleep-friendly environment. Now, let's talk about noise. The hustle and bustle of the outside world can often invade our sleep space, disrupting our precious rest. To combat this, consider incorporating calming sounds into your room. White noise machines, fans, or apps can create a steady, soothing backdrop that can help drown out unwanted noise. And if needed, never underestimate the power of a good pair of earplugs. Light is the 3rd element to consider. Our bodies are naturally programmed to wake up when it's light and sleep when it's dark. Using blackout curtains or an eye mask can help keep your room dark and cue your body that it's time to sleep. Even the smallest amount of light can disrupt your sleep, so remember to cover any electronic displays like alarm clocks or phone screens. And of course, your bed itself plays a critical role in your sleep quality. A comfortable and supportive mattress and pillows are essential. They can make the difference between tossing and turning and drifting off into a peaceful slumber. Remember, comfort is personal, so what works for others might not work for you. Take the time to find what truly helps you sleep better. In conclusion, designing a sleep-friendly environment takes some effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Remember, your bedroom is your sleep sanctuary, so make it work for you. Make sure your mattress and pillows are comfortable and supportive for your sleeping style. 3rd, mind what you eat and drink. We often underestimate the profound impact our diet can have on the quality of our sleep. So let's dive into some dietary wisdom that could help you drift off to dreamland more effortlessly. Now, we all know the allure of a steaming cup of coffee or a rich, hearty meal late in the evening, but here's the thing. These could be your sleep adversaries in disguise. Large meals close to bedtime can cause discomfort and indigestion, making it harder to fall asleep. Caffeine, on the other hand, is a stimulant that can keep you alert for up to 6 hours. So, that late-night espresso might just be the culprit behind your sleepless nights. Alcohol too, while it might make you feel drowsy initially, can disrupt the later stages of sleep, leaving you feeling less rested. It's best to limit alcohol intake, and if you do indulge, try to do so at least 2 to 3 hours before hitting the sack. But it's not all about restriction. There are also foods and drinks that can promote better sleep. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in foods like turkey, nuts, seeds, and dairy, can increase the production of serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. So, a light snack of a few almonds or a warm glass of milk could be just the ticket to a good night's sleep. Hydration is important too, but try to avoid drinking large amounts of liquids in the evening to prevent nighttime trips to the bathroom. Aim to get most of your hydration earlier in the day. And what about naps, you ask? Well, while a quick power nap can be rejuvenating, long or late day naps can interfere with nighttime sleep. If you do feel the need to nap, keep it brief and early in the afternoon. So remember, when it comes to sleep, it's not just about when you eat and drink, but also what you eat and drink. Make mindful choices and you might just see your sleep improve. A light evening snack like almonds or a warm glass of milk can be sleep-inducing. Number 4, limit screen time before bed. This might sound like a tough one, especially in a world that's increasingly digital, yet it's a crucial step towards better sleep. The blue light that screens emit, be it your smartphone, your laptop, or your TV, can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. When exposed to this light, especially in the evening hours, your brain might get tricked into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder for you to fall asleep. Now, you might be thinking, but I use my devices to relax before bed. Well, the truth is, interactive technology like video games or social media can actually stimulate your brain, making it more difficult to wind down. So while it might seem relaxing in the moment, it could be hindering your ability to fall asleep later on. So what can you do? Try to switch off all electronic devices at least an hour before bed. It might be challenging initially, especially if you're used to scrolling through your phone or watching TV right up until bedtime. But, like any other habit, it can be formed with consistency. Instead of screen time, consider engaging in relaxing activities that help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Reading a book, for instance, can be a great alternative. It helps relax your mind and prepare it for sleep. If reading isn't your thing, try some gentle stretching or relaxation exercises. These can help ease any physical tension from the day and promote a state of calm, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. Remember, the goal is to create an environment that encourages sleep, and limiting screen time is a key part of that. It's not about completely eliminating screens from your life, but rather about being mindful of when and how you use them, especially before bed. Consider reading a book or practicing relaxation exercises instead. It's a simple switch, but it can make a world of difference in your sleep quality. And with better sleep, you'll find yourself more energized and refreshed during the day, ready to take on whatever comes your way. Lastly, manage stress. The hustle and bustle of daily life can often leave our minds buzzing with thoughts, and this mental chatter can seriously impede our ability to drift off into a peaceful slumber. So, how can we quieten this internal noise and prepare our minds for rest? Well, there are a number of techniques that can be incredibly effective in managing stress and promoting relaxation. Deep breathing exercises, for instance, can help to slow the heart rate and lower blood pressure, creating a sense of calm that is conducive to sleep. Simply sit or lie in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on taking slow, deep breaths. Meditation is another powerful tool for stress management. Just a few minutes of meditation before bed can help to clear the mind and create a sense of peace and tranquility. You don't need any special equipment or skills to get started, just a quiet space where you can focus on your breath and let go of any troubling thoughts. Writing in a journal can also be therapeutic. Putting your thoughts down on paper can help to clear your mind and relieve feelings of stress and anxiety. You might write about your day, express gratitude, or even draft a to-do list for the next day. The act of writing can be incredibly soothing and can help to prepare your mind for sleep. Stress management is crucial not just for sleep, but for your overall health. So remember to take time each day to relax and unwind. Your mind, body, and sleep schedule will thank you for it. There you have it, 5 tips for a restful sleep. From establishing a consistent sleep routine to creating a serene environment, minding your diet, limiting screen time, and managing stress, each plays a crucial role in enhancing your sleep quality. Embrace these habits and transform your nights into a peaceful retreat. Thanks for tuning in to Health in 5. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks. Sweet dreams and good night, health warriors.